The CNC fully automatic wire straightening and cutting machine is designed for high-speed, precise straightening and cutting of various metal wires. Equipped with microcomputer and servo motor control, it synchronizes with the wire during cutting to ensure accurate lengths and minimal error. 2 mm. The machine supports multiple wire lengths in a single task, stores settings for repeatable operations, and features foolproof operation that is simple for operators. Hydraulic cutting provides quiet, precise performance, while adjustable feeding speed and high-quality heat-treated alloy blades enable rapid, reliable processing up to 150 meters per minute. Compact, stable, and low maintenance. This machine is ideal for manufacturing hardware, craft items, daily use metal products, and refrigeration components, delivering fast, accurate, and efficient wire production.